Let us start with third chapter, inheritance and variations. In that, you have to study chromosomes and mechanism of inheritance. So, in a relation with inheritance, first part, that is heredity, also known by another term, inheritance. Heredity meaning simply transmission of character. Which character? These are genetic characters. So, transmission of genetic information from generation to generation. We call it as heredity or inheritance. You are familiar with this definition. Transmission of genetic information from generation to generation is known as heredity or inheritance. Remember this definition. Now, Gregor Mendel, born in Moravia, gave the accurate explanation for mechanism of inheritance by using hybridization technique. So it is important scientist responsible for study of inheritance or mechanism of inheritance. Mendel selected garden pea plant for his hybridization experiment. Generally, this sentence can be asked for 1 mark question or MCQ. He studied inheritance of 7 traits, traits meaning characters, one at time, in combination of 2 or 3 characters or in combination of 2 or 3 characters at a time. So out of these 7 traits, 7 character, Mendel studied single character at a time, or he carried out combination of 2 or 3 characters and study their inheritance. Mendel postulated principle of heredity, which later became fundamental laws of heredity. So fundamental laws of heredity was first of all postulated by Mendel. Mendel visualized traits as something present inside the genetic cell. So at that time science is not so advanced. Therefore, according to Mendel, he used term something for genetic material. To this something, Mendel coined the term factor that are responsible for expression of particular trait or character. So something explained by Mendel, he used the term factor which are responsible for expression, meaning showing characters, particular trait. Factors are particulate in nature and are now termed as genes. So Mendel used the term factor. We are using the term gene for genetic material responsible for transmission of particular trait or particular character. Now, these factors occur in pair in parents and segregate meaning separate from each other during gamete formation, that is during meiosis or gametogenesis, without blending or mixing. Blending meaning mixing. So factors occurs in pair, genes occurs in pairs in parent. When parents produces gametes, that is gametogenesis, which is a phenomenon of meiosis, these factors or the genes, they segregate meaning separate from each other without blending, without mixing. That's why characters, they remain as they are present in parents, they are transferred to gametes. So that is regarding what we call Mendel's views or Mendel's studied. Now we have seen Mendel studied hereditary experiments. In that experiments he got success. Why Mendel got success? Come to study reasons for Mendel's success. Mendel's experiments were carefully planned and involved large number of crosses and experiment. So Mendel carefully carried out planning of his experiments and carry out number of thousands of experiments. Second one, Mendel recorded number of plants of each type and expressed his result as ratios. So he kept record of a number of plants and give result in form of ratios. That is another reason for Mendel's success. In pea plant, contrasting characters can be easily recognized. Contrasting meaning opposite. Contrasting character meaning opposite character. For example, tall height, dwarf height, round shape, wrinkled shape. These are opposite characters, and these characters they can be easily recognized. In which plant? Pea plant. Pea plant has 7 pairs of contrasting character. 7 pair meaning in all 14 characters are there. So it is quite easy to study transmission of these contrasting characters in case of pea plant. Each character is controlled by single factor or gene. So single character is under control of single gene. That's why it is also easy to study role of that gene, action of that gene in pea plant. Genes or factors are located on separate chromosomes and are transmitted from generation to generation. So we have seen there are 7 pairs, meaning seven pairs of